All right, and now for the last practice problem. It looks the same, but it's a different question than yesterday. We still have Jose and Erica. They still disagree. Jose says it's a rotation. Erica says it's a reflection. Who's correct and why? Well, again, just like yesterday, if we reflected it, then D prime would be right here. So technically, it is a rotation, just like yesterday. But when I measure from point C to point D, I get about 1.8 millimeters. And when I measure from C prime to D prime, it's only 1.4. So this whole shape has gotten smaller. Remember, rigid transformation means the size is still the same. So neither Jose nor Erica are correct because the shape got smaller. So that's what you want to write to get a complete sentence. Neither Jose nor Erica are correct because the shape got smaller. Or an even better way to say that is because the size was not preserved. So that's an even better answer using the correct vocabulary. Now you're going to take your exit ticket. The exit ticket happens over 2 different slides. So the first one, you're just circling things. So read the direction and circle what you're supposed to. The second one, you're going to explain why you did not circle the other shapes. And you want to make sure you're using the proper vocabulary, just like I edited my answer here, to use the vocab from the lessons so that you get full credit and don't have to redo it.